we had some engineers come in and check a lot of things for this shit camp. And there's one person in particular who genuinely got the most amount of air. They had multiple, about 30 feet total throughout the week of air for being an actual bird. Maya Higa, come and accept.
Wait, no, we planned it. No, we planned it.
No, Rich.
She said make me fly. No, she said make me fly. She said.
And then you pushed her.
Rich, fly.
Look at her! Look what Rich Gamble did to her! This is OTK's doing!
Rich, flying upward.
Look, you said I did. I'm sorry. Are you okay?
Yeah.
You want to do it again?
Being an actual bird. Chuck, can you like move the camera like this and like duck down? I got dumb air at shit camp, baby. Let's go.
Woo! Dumb air.
That was wicked. That was the closest you ever done. Sorry about your elbow.
Jesus Christ.
I got dumb air, I should can't.